tour time. Let's go. Okay, first off, I have been unpacking and deep cleaning all morning. I have cleaned every inch of this cabin. Okay, this is our new cabin, guys. Yes, we do have a great view, but it's not the balcony we had on the Koningsdam, but oh well. So this is the desk area. This cabin actually has more storage space than the last cabin, which is great. This couch makes for a pull-out bed for when Delaney comes and stays with us. And then we have our fridge in here. These clothes are sitting up here because I need to send them to laundry. I have some hooks right up there for my bags and more hooks there. And I've made like a little storage space up there. We're opening all of this Elemis stuff next, but let me show you what we've put in the cupboards. I've made this kind of like my beauty cupboard. So these are the items that I have in there right now, and we're gonna be adding lots more items. Okay, here's what I've done with the closets. So the other staff chief engineer, all of his uniforms he has left here. Pete will do the same when he leaves. It's just something they've worked out between themselves. In this cupboard, I have made it like for my shoes, and all of our jackets are in that cupboard. Okay, then for these cupboards, I am going to take that backpack out, but this is my clothes. I have sent some things to laundry, but you guys, look, I have not brought that many clothes. It's wonderful. I have all my skirts and shorts down there, and then I have some of Pete's stuff down below. So that's the first one. Then here is Pete's closet. I've hung up a few of his uniforms. Some other uniforms are down in the laundry right now getting pressed and cleaned. All of his shoes down there and his shirts. So, sorry, cut myself off. So this is our closet space and the refrigerator and the pull-out couch. Now the carpets are dirty right now just because I've been cleaning everything, so we need to vacuum those. But this is gonna be my little makeup station. Someone had built like a little, I don't know, cabinet thing here. So I put some of my makeup here. I'm gonna sit on here and I'll do my makeup like right in this area. It's so cute. I have put some of my stuff down there. Our phone. Pete's got special phones in here. I don't know what they're all to, but emergency stuff. Let's see. Then we have, I put up our Christmas tree today. Take a look. Here's our view, by the way. There's lots of birds outside. They need to clean the windows, but it's a beautiful view as always. And I love, I'll show you where I'm sleeping, but look at our beautiful Christmas tree. Isn't that great? I had it delivered to the ship, but let me show you something. So I sleep right here and I've got the ocean right there. I love like waking up and just looking outside. So I actually really like this setup, and I like this like nook area right over there. This is what the room looks like from the other side. We are going to put these suitcases at some point under the bed and in this storage space here. I'll show you the bathroom at another time because they need to come and fix a few things in there. So this is our cabin. Our cabin for the next 3 months. We will be in here as we take you to the Panama Canal, to the Amazon River. Oh my God, I can't believe like the Amazon River is gonna be right outside my window. It's gonna be beautiful. Anyways, it is now 1 o'clock. I have not ate anything yet today because I have been busy cleaning and emailing and things like that. So I'm gonna go up and get something to eat. And when I get back, we are gonna open all of those packages from Elemis. Bye.